Welcome back to another video. Today we have the Viking. We're gonna be starting this vehicle, see if it'll start. It's a V8, it's a Ford F150. So we got the Viking power pack here. We do have, let's see here, 100% of charge from what it looks like. Everything's in there. Let's try and turn on the vehicle, see if it'll start. So, no lights, no nothing, completely dead. Alright, let's see here. Got the hood. This is the truck here. It's a V8. It's a 5.4. I'll set you guys right there. Yeah, I'm pretty much just storing this vehicle for my cousin. It's been here sitting for about 2 months now, so that explains why it's probably not starting. This battery's probably dead and needs to be replaced or something like that, or that just the vehicle needs to get more used. Alright, we got the Viking here. Let's put this together. Turn it on. Turn on the engine. Let's get the green lights. You got some lights. This battery was completely dead, guys. This battery was completely dead. Did you guys see that? I'm gonna turn this off. Obviously it's not needed anymore. I just wanted to make this video because I had a lot of rumors in YouTube, a lot of not just in YouTube, in Facebook, a lot of Facebook groups, a lot of Facebook people saying that this Viking jump starter power pack doesn't start a V8, and that, you know, that it sucks, it doesn't start a vehicle at all. So this is just another video with a different truck. This is a 5.4. It's a 5.4 V8. Gotta put this back. This is actually my mom's. I gave this to my mom. I just borrowed it so I could start this truck. my mom is the owner of this device now, because if she ever gets stranded on her with her car, I just don't want her to struggle. Or she could have a power bank in her vehicle at all times. But yeah, I just wanted to make this video because a lot of Facebook groups out there, they were saying that this item sucks. Nobody believes me. I'm gonna actually share this video to my favorite Facebook group, Toolhead 147 in Facebook. So I'm gonna go ahead and share this video so they can, you know, have proof that it actually does work. Because, you know, this is the third video I make on this product, on this Viking jump starter. But yeah, just like I said, just want to share. Everything seems to be in pretty good condition. I believe last time she charged it about a month ago, and it's still 100%. We'll see how much battery we got left. We still got 100%. We got 4 bars, so ready to rock and roll if we need to jump start another vehicle. So it's ready to jump start basically again. So yeah, I'm gonna turn off the vehicle, see if it charged, and turn it back on. Like I said, this is a vehicle that's in my backyard. It's not mine, it's my cousin's. I've just been storing this vehicle in my backyard for him, you know. But yeah, let's turn this off and turn it back on. See? Battery's dead. We gotta do it again. At least we got some lights this time now. So here's another test for you guys. For you guys that don't believe that this actually works. You guys did see it right there for the second time. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tour reviews to deals, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.